Billy got drafted on his birthday in 1963. After 10 weeks at Fort Dix, shipped him off to the DMC. They were patrolling the Central Highlands when the bullets began to fly. Billy was checking the back door and took one in the side. Put his M14 on auto, hot brass cut through the night. He held the snipers in the brush, saved his brother's lives. He came back from a 2-year hitch, but the breach would never end. Now he was just a stranger to his family and his friends. Put his Purple Heart in the closet, his boots sat by the door. His mind was still in the bush, not knowing what he was fighting for. The VA man in Springfield had a desk piled high with regret. He said, "Billy, you're a hero, but we haven't got your file yet." He'd sit by a green water pond, watch the water rise and fall, wondering if the man who left ever came home at all. He wasn't looking for a medal or a parade through the town square, just a way to silence the lead rain that followed him everywhere. He was driving along Route 20 as the fog began to crawl southeast past the Westfield River and the closed down Veterans Hall. He turned on the radio and found a static heavy song about a man just trying to make things right. The whole damn world was wrong. When you feel you've been forgotten, you got to make your move. Billy had a tank full of gas, nothing left to lose. He hit the Pennsylvania Turnpike and headed down the open road, thinking the hardest part of sacrifice when they tell you welcome home.